Hello mga kabayan, good morning. And today what I'm about to show you is our one bedroom unit here in Araneta City. So this one is our pre-selling condominiums that will be turned over this August 2028. So this one is a total of 42 square meter with balcony na one bedroom unit. So itong pinagdaan natin kanina, dinaanan is the door. So once we turn over this one is a solid wood door, but for the showroom purposes, it's a glass. So what's ideal about this unit is that this kitchen area we're in, as you can see, L-type kitchen na siya. And kagandahan dito is you can really maximize the space. So from here, you have a provision for fridge. This one, yung pinakang height nito is about 6 feet. And then we already included upon turnover will be just overhead modular closets. And makasama na siya. Ito mga ganito. There, and also for our kitchen sink faucet. Retractable na tayo for this one, and it's also a European brand by Franke. And then we also have the under-counter cabinets included. Yan, kasama na itong mga to. And for this one, kasama na din yung ating pinakang 2 burner cooktops and then the range hood with overhead cabinet as well. On this part naman, as you can see, we have provision for the washer and dryer. And then may abang na tayong water line dito para i-connect na lang ninyo yung hose ng pinakang washer and dryer. And this one is an upgrade, so it's up to you din kung paano nyo siya i-maximize. So you can also put here and then maglagay kayo dito ng microwave oven. And then as you can see, when it comes to the deliverables upon turnover of this project, very high-end na tayo since yung mga pinakang switches natin are soft touch gaya nito. I don't know if it's working yun. So ayan siya. There. So very smart home na talaga tayo, and also you can control this through the use of your smartphone. And then this will be your dining area. So this is a total of 4 table sitters. So pwede din maglagay ng additional dito. Pero kung ayaw niyo na kung wag sumikip pa yung daan ninyo, you can no longer add this one. But for reference, ito yung possible ninyong gawin. And then right here, itong part na to, this is already an upgrade. So pwede siyang gayahin para maging ganito yung look ng pinahang unit ninyo. And as we move forward, this will be your living area. Ayan. So, diretsuhan siya, parang studio type yung pinahang dining and then the living area. And then there's going to be your space for the couch. You can also incorporate these paintings and then other stuff here or mga pictures ninyo. And then here, upgrade din to, itong mga nakalagay sa wall. So for this one, solid lang tayo dito na plain. But you can also use this para magkaroon din ng depth yung pinakang wall ninyo for your unit. And then minount lang natin yung television dito sa pinakang wall. So pwede nyo siyang gayahin. And also this one, upgrade na tong cabinet sa baba. So this is another additional storage or space para malagay yung iba yung gamit. And also here, naglagay sila ng shelf para malagay din mga books and also some picture frames. And ito mismo yung pinakang, para mas makita ninyo. There. That's the living area, and then they put here a side table and then a lamp here. And also yung pinakang center table ninyo para if ever na gusto nyo mag-coffee, that's also a nice thing. And right here, for this window type aircon guys, this is just a provision. So ayan, so you can also incorporate that specific aircon or the brand. So ayan, nakita nyo, this one is inverter by Carrier. And this is going to be your balcony area. So medyo madilim lang. So for this one, you have the view of Araneta skyline. So ganito siya, and then meron tayo dito for the aircon. There. Ganito siya kalaki. So there. And now let's go to the bedroom itself para makita ninyo kung gaano siya kalaki. So here, this is what the bedroom looks like. Ayan. Okay, so for the bedroom area, what's part of the deliverable will be this one. This is a 2-door modular closet, but as you can see dito guys, sliding siya, pero during turnover, hindi siya sliding. So this one is already an upgrade. Usually yung pinupull na cabinet. So pwede nyo siyang ipagawa ng ganito if you want to. Here naman, this will be the entertainment area or the television part, wherein dito naglagay dito ng backlight. Ayan, a backlight here. So, upgrade din ito. You can also use this para magkaroon ng design yung pinakang wall ninyo. And then this will be your television. Also, an upgrade for this cabinet para mas marami kayong storage area. Ito naman, working station or pwede nyong gawing If you love to do makeup, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng table for that. Also, provision ulit tayo for the window type aircon, and then this will be your window. Almost floor to ceiling yung window natin inside the room. And then this one also is an upgrade. Additional shelves din siya, so pwede nyo rin siyang gayahin once ma-turn over na sa inyo yung property via August 2028. And then this is going to be the sleeping area. So ayan, so I think any bed can fit here kasi malawak yung space mo dito. And then for the headboard ng pinakang bed ninyo, pwede kayo maglagay dyan ng anything you wanted to para mas maganda din yung design for the wall. And then nagkaroon din here ng paintings, and then here nagkaroon din sila ng mga lamp para mas magkaroon siya ng edge. Ayan. Now, let's go to the common toilet and bath. So, for the common toilet and bath, everybody, so lahat ng entry nyo will be the bedroom kasi yung pinakang CR natin or comfort room will be located sa pinakang bedroom area. So, this will be the deliverables upon turnover ng property nyo. So, we already have here the lavatory sink faucet. We also have here the vanity mirror, shower closet or the toilet bowl, and then this partition from the bath and then your toilet. So for this one, ito rin kasama na during turnover. So shower head, kasama na siya. And then dito naman, pinakang towel rod and then tissue holder here. So yun yung mga kasama ninyo during turnover. And also, what's good about our toilet and bath for all Mega World projects right now, they're all motion sensors. So paglabas ninyo or pagpasok at paglabas ninyo ng CR or comfort room is magbubukas and magsasara automatically yung ilaw kapag wala na sila madetect na any motion sa loob ng area. So that's the 1-bedroom unit with balcony here in Loran Park. So if you want to know more about the available units we have here, studio, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a showroom visit. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Mega World Corporation. See you again on my next video. Bye.